Okay, well, while we were away, Carter took apart the old shifter base that we had. Carter, you removed the neutral safety switch and the mount, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how did you take out, how did that go?
Well, the mount for the neutral safety switch is actually spot welded to the base here. And if you drill those out with the size of the spot weld that looks like it's about the same size, bottom line, you got to go bigger than the spot weld. So it looks like we went maybe around a quarter for our drill bit size, and that worked well to finally pop that off. Yeah, about a quarter inch, yeah.
So you started out smaller,
right?
Ended up at a quarter.
Yeah, I wouldn't advise to start there, but work your way up, and eventually you'll get enough that it pops off.
Just kind of falls off.
Yep.
Okay. And then the detent and then we saved it. Now where is that piece? It's not here anymore.
For the switch.
The switch.
Well, you can see the example here where it mounts these two tabs.
We didn't lose it. It's
No.
just Carter's neatened up in the meanwhile. But you can save it. It can always be reinstalled if you want, right?
Yeah.
And this the detent, the shift gate, this was also riveted on, and you remove that.
Yep. So you can take your everyday punch, match up the size of the tip roughly with about the size of your rivet ends, and you get a good hammer and bang them right out, and with a little bit of finessing, they come right out.
So now we have now we have this nice big shifter body from the old shifter. Here's our handle and our shifter body. This has a place in it for our neutral safety switch. And now what we're going to do is Carter's going to take a minute, and he's going to figure out and mount this into the old body in the same position as the original handle. So we're going to do that. Cut.